Frontier Cove is kind of like a Wild West place where like there's a lot of like outdoor activities like go-karting and mini like go around and like things like that, and it's like a really fun place for new students to like meet other new people and just like bond like with those like outdoor activities. So, and I got to go through it my freshman year and it was really fun. So I would definitely bring a sleeping bag and also toiletries, just because we're going to stay overnight there at Frontier Cove. And also if it's like get really sunny, I would definitely recommend you bringing sunscreen or hat or sunglasses, just so you don't get burned. And we never know what the weather's gonna be like in Oklahoma, so if it's raining, you definitely want to bring like a raincoat, so just in case. But also I would recommend you wearing some sort of like really comfortable shoes like Chacos, Birkenstock, or like some running shoes, because we'll be walking a lot and doing a lot of outdoor activities. The orientation group will give you an assigned bunk, and it's usually different with your orientation group, so you get to meet other new people with other like new freshmen or other like transfer students or international students even. You're going to be with your orientation group, with the orientation leader. We're going to do a lot of like team bonding, just like team building, and just some sort of like conversation where it's good transition from high school to college. And also there's going to be a lot of free time, so you can meet like a lot of new friends, or you can hang out with the orientation group, like doing a go-kart thing or just like walking around the Frontier Cove. It's a really big place, so it's really fun.